more to this class, that is photography. We are here today there is one thing in the photograph that it must contain the humanity of the moment. When you do photography, you remember that the photograph must contain the humanity of the moment. Either it is useless. Though it depends on you how you are able to enjoy the photograph. Today, I am here to tell you about the film base. What is film base? We will discuss today about the film base. Film base, memory card base, photographic paper base, these all are there, for which we are able to get a picture visible in our hand. So what is film base? Film, you have seen that it's a kind of this kind of material, and in this type of film we used to put inside the camera and we get the picture. Now why I am talking to you about it? See, these are the basic things which we should know. That is why I am talking to you today about this particular part of photography. It's a film. It's a base of film. What is the base? What I told you that this is a film. You will see when you will do photography. There you will find that it looks like this. And here there is certain area where you will find the picture is visible to you within this area. This is film and different type of object. When you click, it comes over there. Okay. So today we are talking about film base. Film base basically the chemical compound for which the light is responsible to make the image, form the image on the base of any devices on any kind of film paper. When we talk about this chemical compound, basically it is silver halide. This is silver halide, and in silver halide you will find that chloride, bromide and iodide is there. This is AGCL, AGPR, AGI. When you are doing photography at that time, we use these film for making the image. How the image form when light falls on the object. When the light falls on the object, it reflects, and the reflection goes through the camera lens, and when it reaches inside the camera, there you will find a film or a paper which react with that reflection of light and it perform the image. But any paper, your books paper, your copies paper, if you put, you won't get the picture, because for picture this halide is required. What halide is this? It is silver halide, silver bromide, silver chloride or silver iodide. So it is silver chloride, bromide and iodide. These three is required. If you do not find any silver halide, the light will not react, you won't get the image. Is it? For getting the image, we need always a kind of light, a particular type of silver halide. This silver halide many times we use in single. Sometimes we use in mixed form. Sometimes we use two of them. And due to that reason, we are able to get different type of lights picture, different type of reacted picture, different type of picture by which you are able to represent, we are able to represent our photograph. If you remember or listen anywhere, you will find that there are film of different speed. There are film for different lights. There are films for different kind of situation. The professional photographers use these different type of films due to best result of that time. We are habituated to put a film inside the camera and we use these films continuously until unless it is getting over. We wait for that, we complete all the films and then we go for putting another film. But basically for different light, different kind of films are used. For different speed of object, different type of films are used. That is why if you search, you will find that there are films for daylight, there are films for night, there are films for artificial light, there are films for outdoor, there are films for indoor. Okay, so there are different speed of film. Now coming to that speed of film, there are films which is called speed speeds are 100, 200, 400, 800, 1600, 3200, 6400, like this. It goes so on, and these all depends on different kind of solution, different kind of mixture, different kind of halides is used in that. But nowadays you will not find this kind of mixture, this kind of film, this kind of usable materials, because these all function which was there in chemical, it has come in sensor. So sensors are able to mix up with the different light reaction with different speed, that is operated by different type of sensor. If in a camera which I am holding right now, in this type of camera, if the speed is available, suppose 6400, you will not get it in your simple camera, because the sensor which is available in simple camera, fixed lens digital camera also, you will find only very few, which is nowadays we call ISO. Though we used to count these all as ASA, American Standard Association, ISO is International Standard Organization. And one more thing we use for this particular film speed, that is DIN, D-I-N, degree. Degree DIN it is called actually. It is Dutch Industries of Norman. These all are the scale or the organization we used to prove, we used to certify that yes, that film which is using for this particular manufacturer are certified that they are used the proportion properly and it is correct. Okay, this is the only use. Now this film which we are using, as I have told you, the mixture of different chemicals, is it actually used to give the power of accessibility on that particular film. There are film which is 100 rupees. There are film the same time you will find which is 200 rupees. There are film which is of 400 rupees. So different type of film is used for different type of work. There are films for black and white, there are films for color, there are films for slideshow also, and that is called transparency. So transparency film and normal film for photography is different. What difference is there? In normal film, which is called negative film actually, in that film when you click a picture, at that time the picture will come, the photograph will appear, and it is not visible until unless you are developing it. But after developing, what it used to give? It used to give you a negative view of the object which you have clicked. Negative doesn't mean that you are using head, instead of it will come leg. You are using eyes, instead of it will come mouth. It's not like this. Just opposite of this particular object, colors will appear in color, and in black and white the bright part will become dark and dark part will become light, and originality will be vanish. So what is going to happen after this? When you will put again light on it and again you will go through the same process, you will find the same thing as well as in object it was, because at the same time when you are going to do the same process again, what is going to happen? The film is going to give the opposite. Suppose if you are clicking a picture of any suppose leave it, human being. So human beings, ears, eyes, skin is not going to come the same in the same pattern. Just opposite it will come, because that when the light is reacting from your eyes, the spot which is getting from your eye, it will give just opposite reaction. That is why it is called negative. And that negative, through this negative, when you will pass a slide, when you will go through the same process, then it is going to give you the opposite of that which you are having in the negative. Now if you develop that, you are going to get opposite of the negative. So opposite of the negative is the same of an object which you have clicked. Is it? So that is why we call this is positive, which is finally come after the processing of a negatives reflection, and when from the object we get, that is called negative, which is opposite of the object. Now come to the next part, which is transparency, which I was talking to. In that part you will able to view the object as it is, because a layer of that particular plastic or coating glass is such, it is made in such a way, while processing it process such a way that it used to give not reverse, not opposite, original of the object. So when we see it by our eyes or when we project it, we are able to view the original of the object. That is why it is called transparency. There is no negative in the film. That is why it is called transparency. Okay? So go through the process, learn something, do photography. You must send your picture in click of the month contest for photography. Thank you very much for today. You do photography, you do photography, you do photography.